NASDAQ and S&P 500 down, the Dow is up. I'm Darren, and this is 3 Things for Thursday, July the 18th. Blaming a gender identity law that was passed, Elon Musk says he is moving SpaceX and X from California to Texas. Musk had already moved Tesla from California in 2021. The new law bars school districts in California from requiring teachers to disclose a change in a student's gender ID or sexual orientation to parents without the child's permission. Wow. Walmart will be opening Mr. Gatti's Pizza in 92 stores across 4 states. The locations will include counter, seated dining, and delivery options. You'll be able to order your food through the Mr. Gatti app while shopping and pick it up on the way out as well. Maybe hoping there is more support due to the attempted assassination of former President Trump, Joe Biden once again is calling for a ban on the AR-15. I feel like it may actually be an argument to not ban it as a means for self-defense. We'll see how this all plays out. Trade while you're sleeping across time zones with Arbitrage Trade Assist. Sign up today at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade is your trusted source for business, finance, and tech info.
Tom has been a teacher for over 40 years. One day, I think one of the students had asked the question and he didn't remember the answer. And I also noticed that he was letting his class out earlier than they were supposed to let out. I was really starting to worry.
Levi and I talked about how it would change our lives, but he was there beside me.
When something feels different, it could be Alzheimer's. Now is the time to talk. Visit alz.org/ourstories to learn more. A message from the Alzheimer's Association and the Ad Council.
Citadel's role in market dynamics. Daniel writes, the financial markets are complex ecosystems where various players contribute to the smooth functioning of trade. Among these, market makers like Citadel hold a unique position, significantly influencing market dynamics. Inspired by a detailed post on Superstonk on Reddit, this blog delves into the intricate role of Citadel, shedding light on its dual functions and the controversy surrounding its practices. Market makers are vital to the financial markets, providing liquidity and stability. By continuously offering to buy and sell securities, they ensure that trades can be executed promptly, thus maintaining an orderly market. Citadel, one of the largest market makers, handles a substantial volume of trades daily, making it a key player in this space. Citadel operates both as a market maker and a hedge fund. This dual role allows it to influence market conditions through its trading activities. As a market maker, Citadel's primary function is to facilitate trades and provide liquidity. However, its role as a hedge fund involves proprietary trading where it takes positions to generate profit. This dual capacity can lead to potential conflicts of interest, raising questions about market fairness. One practice that has drawn significant scrutiny is payment for order flow. This involves brokers routing retail orders to market makers like Citadel in exchange for payments. While the arrangement can reduce trading costs for retail investors, it raises concerns about the quality of trade execution and potential conflicts of interest. Critics argue that PFOF might prioritize profit over the best execution of trades for retail investors. Retail investors, who often use commission-free trading platforms, might not fully understand the implications of PFOF and market-making practices. The lack of transparency can lead to situations where retail trades are not executed at the best possible prices. This highlights the need for greater awareness and education among retail investors about how these market mechanisms work. Securities sold, not yet purchased, refers to short selling, where an investor borrows shares and sells them with the intention of buying them back at a lower price. This strategy can be profitable if the stock price declines, but it carries significant risk if the price rises. Citadel, through its market-making and hedge fund activities, engages in short selling, which can impact market prices and volatility. To maintain short positions, Citadel and other firms may need to raise substantial capital, especially if the market moves against their positions. This capital can be sourced through various means, including leveraging assets, borrowing, or raising funds from investors. The need for continuous capital to cover short positions can influence market behavior, sometimes leading to potential manipulation if firms use aggressive tactics to push down stock prices. The Superstonk Reddit post emphasizes the importance of market transparency and regulatory oversight. It advocates for stricter regulations to address conflicts of interest and ensure a level playing field for all market participants. Greater transparency would help retail investors make more informed decisions and build trust in the financial markets. Understanding the role of market makers like Citadel is crucial for anyone involved in financial markets. Citadel's dual role and practices like payment for order flow have significant implications for market dynamics and investor outcomes. By advocating for greater transparency and regulation, we can work towards a fairer and more efficient market environment. Stop watching and start living using Pips, our AI bot. Go to arbitragetrade.com and check out Arbitrage Trade Assist.
I want to eat apples and bananas. I need to eat apples and bananas. Why can't I eat apples and bananas?
Support the Feeding America nationwide network of food banks to help provide meals to those in need. Join us at feedingamerica.org.
Pip's Pick of the Day, and it's Throwback Thursday. I give you a pick of the day every Monday through Wednesday, and then on Thursdays I review all of the AA-Bot Pips wins over the months. Pips makes it easy for me with its 12 indicators. This week it is Fibrogen Inc., that's FGEN, and they are headquartered in California. They're a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the discovery, development, and commercialization of novel therapeutics. This was the pick of the day just 2 days ago, and it opened at $1.04, and yesterday it touched $1.18. The signal that indicated this possibility was the orbit line crossing back through the danger down line to the upside on Monday. Congrats if you got that full 18% this week. Want to see the graphs and 12 indicators? Look for my video post about Throwback Thursdays on social media where I break it all down. Put our AI bot pips to work for you with Arbitrage Trade Assist. We're not financial advisors, but we do offer a service at arbitragetrade.com.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the contents of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to function as investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.